Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be cornrow and twist hairstyle on 4C natural hair, on 4C hair. And the style I wanted was some to the back, some to the front, and flat sides. So we started off by making the twist at the back of the hair. So I made it up to where I wanted the braids, the cornrow on the side to start like falling, to stop falling towards the ears. So when I got to like on the top of her ears, just slightly behind her ears, I started the cornrow. So I made the single twist all the way to the back of her ears where I wanted the flat braid to stop. But once you look at someone's face, you can be able to tell where it will look the best when the hair falls behind the ears. So after this line of braids, I felt like it was okay. It was now time to make the cornrow on the side. So again, I was looking at her face. I knew where I wanted the mohawk effect to stop and start. It varies on people's faces how high the cornrow is and how low it is. Well, it depends. It really depends. So I wanted it to be like mohawky, like I know that she likes to play around with her hair. Okay, and I also didn't want I want the mohawk to still be able to stand. Like when she has her hair to the front, I didn't want it to like fall over the cornrow too much. If you have just smaller section cornrowed at the side, if that section where you make the flat, when the flat side is small, the individual braids tend to fall over the flat side a lot, especially with people who don't know how to style their hair too well. When I am making their hair, I'm very cautious because after a day they will just come itchy. This hair is disturbing me, it's always falling over my face when I'm walking. So I know where to make it okay. Actually, convenience is a factor I consider a lot when making people's hair, because I know if you're going to call me up and tell me it's bothering you, I will try my best to, especially when it comes to hairs that fall towards the face. Many people, I know, when you look on social media, it looks so touch to be busy pulling hair away from your face, but when you're busy and you're not in the mood, it's very inconveniencing. So I've had that complaint, so I just try to make sure like the hair is also convenient. So that determines how much of the side cornrow I make, which is going to affect how much of the hair falls to the face. Okay, but this is someone I know that she likes to play with her hair. That was why I wanted some to come to the front, because she really knows how to dress her hair, how to make different styles. Like, this is one of my clients I am very, very proud of, that just even inspire me, because it's exciting to make her hair when you know that hair is going to be utilized. So I am just going to make the flat sides, and when I feel like it is okay, you'll see one long awkward last braid I made. That was the boundary. So after that boundary braid, I will turn over. As I was saying, this is the last boundary braid, so the hair is most likely not going to fall over over the cornrowed part too much, and it's time to do the spicy part of the hair, which is the one that comes to the front. I just cannot wait to be seeing this hairstyle on her status. She is a fashion designer, so when she models her outfits, I get to see her hairstyle. So I am going to start bringing these ones to the front. We don't make them small. I don't know why she really prefers it. She prefers it small. I've also noticed this thing with people. People who naturally have full thick hair or just lots of hair, they tend to shy away from full hairstyles. They are the ones that are most likely going to, when they are making their single braids, they'll be like, please, I don't want my braids to be too full. I don't like it too full. I want it scanty. I need fresh air. They want bigger braids. They just want it quick, convenient, and gone. But people who don't have hair, they are the ones that, it takes a lot of effort to fake it. Not to fake it, but to make it look like, like to look okay. So she doesn't like tiny hairstyles. She just wants it big, and she styles it very, very well. But that was just my point. Hold on for her YouTube channel. I have been encouraging her to start, and very soon she's going to start. She's also creative, has a lot of things that she does. Like, she just has too much to give. I've just been encouraging her to start her YouTube channel. Whenever she finally starts, at the end of this video, no, not whenever, like, she's almost very ready. She has been preparing her content. She's almost ready to launch her first video. When she does, if you want to see more of her, you want to see more of her hair, and she sews just clothes and Nigerian wears. If you want to see more about Nigerian, like a family vlog lifestyle, I'll have her video linked at the end of this one when she starts. So whenever you're watching this video, then you can click at the end of the video and it will take you to her channel. So at this point, I keep bringing the hair to the front when I feel like just almost at the center of the head, exactly at the center of the head. I felt like, okay, this is a good demarcation between the ones coming to the front and the ones coming to the back. I made the line there and went over to the back, braided the twist all the way from the back to that line, and that was where the hairstyle finished. I'm just going to let you watch. That's her daughter's hair we are doing over there. Both of them have been featured on my channel several times. If you want to watch her hairstyle, the daughter's hairstyle, oh, she's crying. Guys, I promise you, we're not being mean to her. Like, she has lots of hair like her mom, and you know how it is as an adult to when you have very full hair, like it takes a lot to handle sometimes. So sometimes it just gets overwhelming for her, and she's tender-headed. So we are trying every time I try to be very gentle, but she still cries because the hair still hurts her. I know you'd say if it's not hurting her, then she won't cry. If you don't make children's hair, you will not understand. So please just leave me alone. I'm, I'm cautious and careful not to make her hair tight. So if you want to watch her hairstyle, I'll link it also at the end of this one. At this point, I am just braiding from the back, going up to the front. See, I am not actually detangling the hair completely with that small brush. The hair, I have detangled it with a white tooth comb, but I just need to